Hello guys, welcome back to Code Fingers. Today we are going to learn two new things. First is how to shuffle all the characters in a string, and secondly how to reverse all the characters in a string. So first let's get on to shuffling a string. So first we are just going to make a variable string, and it's just going to be I love to code. Okay, now we are going to make a new variable shuffle, and it's going to be equal to string.split. And split, basically it just splits all the characters in a string and it forms an array. So if I console.log our shuffle variable, you can see we are getting an array. Now what we want to do is we want to use the sort method, and sort basically sorts the characters, and we are just going to give it a function, and we want to use the random method because we just want to randomly shuffle the string. So what we'll do is return, because we want to return the value whatever it gets, and return 0.5 minus math.random, and then we'll join all the characters. So split basically took all the characters and formed an array, and now the join method basically takes all the elements in an array and it forms a string. So you can see every time I reload this page, our string I love to code is getting shuffled. Okay, now how to reverse a string. So first for this I'm just going to use a new variable reverse, and it's just going to be empty. Now we will use a for loop, and let's make a for loop. Let I is equals to string.length -1, and for I, if greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus. So basically it's just going to start from the end. So first it will take the first character from the end, then the second, and then the third, and so on. And now what we want to do is we want to store all those characters in our reverse variable. So our reverse is just going to be reverse plus equals string dot character at I. So as I said, I is just going to start from the end, and it's just going to take the characters from the end, and we are going to take those characters and we are storing it in our reverse variable. So if I console.log our reverse variable, you'll see all the characters of this string are getting reversed. So there you have it. You can see all the characters of this string are getting shuffled as well as getting reversed. So that's all you needed. It was a very quick video. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe, and until then, goodbye.